Tomorrow, Fast Friday, Q&A. These tips come from real-world experience helping thousands of Medicare beneficiaries. Tomorrow we have Fast Friday Q&A, where I provide quick answers to listener questions. We cover the most common Medicare questions with practical solutions you can use immediately. I want to invite you to join our Facebook group, Social Security Retirement and Medicare Q&A. This is where our podcast community gathers to share experiences and help each other navigate Medicare. Our Facebook group has thousands of members sharing real-world experiences. You'll find answers to questions you didn't know you had. Search for Social Security Retirement and Medicare Q&A on Facebook and request to join today. The group is free and provides ongoing support beyond our podcast episodes. Remember, these tips work best when used consistently. Medicare success comes from staying informed and being proactive. Until tomorrow, this is Al Kushner reminding you that small actions taken consistently lead to big improvements in your Medicare experience. That's a wrap on today's Real Easy Medicare. I'm Al Kushner. If this episode just saved you from a costly mistake, do me a favor, subscribe and share it with someone who needs it. Your review helps others find us too. Want to dive deeper? Grab my award-winning Virtual Medicare, 10 Costly Mistakes You Can't Afford to Make, available in print, ebook, and audiobook, wherever you get books and audio. Got a Medicare question?